police force to kill citizens of Jamaica is not fit to be a leader.
Attack for the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I'm back again with another video. A 23-year-old man is in police custody after he allegedly robbed a patron at a nightclub in Ewerton, St. Catherine, and used an illegal gun to hit his victim during the incident on Sunday night. The accused is being held on suspicion of possession of a prohibited weapon, robbery with aggravation, unlawful wounding, and malicious destruction of property. Wanna hear that? Man arrested in connection with armed robbery at nightclub. Hey, them sitting here get worse and worse and worse, When will this stop? When will this stop? Also, the St. Catherine North Police are working to identify a man whose body was found floating in the rear cubby in a section of Garden Pen, Spanish Town. Reports are that around 9 a.m. on Saturday, February the 1st, residents of an area called Monkey Town in Garden Pen spotted the body and alerted the police. So, uno say what go on now in a February River now? In a February River, if an oil spill in there, a body they have a throw down in there. I just want to say rest in peace and my condolence goes out to the family. Commuters face major disruptions on Monday as taxi operators who ply the Waltham Park Road route withdrew their services in protest over deplorable road conditions and persistent sewage issues in the area. You know so much people are ball, but this sewage are flowing at the road. You know so much people are ball. Me say for so much people are ball. And then you have Nesta Morgan and Andrew Holness are going like say the road look good. Them are going like say them are fix up road and road look good. And the road is in bad condition. But we all have to blame Andrew Holness because in 2017, my people, don't forget, Andrew Holness revoked the road maintenance fund. He stopped it. You understand? When the road fixed, remember say you have to maintain the road, You have to maintain the road. Remember Andrew Holness come out other day in a parliament and he said, it no make no sense. He said the maintenance fund what him revoke in a 2017 no make no sense. He take the money and go do other things with it. He take the money and go do other things with it. And when Mark Golding talk about it, him get upset and a shout because he don't want the people them to know the truth. How can you take the money from the road maintenance funds, and do whatever you want to do with it? And you know so the road them in a bad condition, Andrew Holness. You know that. The road them in a bad condition. And you take the money and go do other things. This is why the road them not maintain. My people, we're not going to hear what the taxi operator them have to say. Because the taxi operator them, they're all protesting about the road and the sewage water. So hear this.
If the road fixed today, tomorrow NWA dig up the road. And them just throw some mall in there, them now fix it back. We are asked for the relevant authorities to come now, today, because we're not leaving today. We're not going to work or put our service back on the road until this road is fixed. We're not moving. So the relevant authorities were asking please and thanks to come to our aid today.
I know the funny thing about this, unless we forget, You remember a couple of years ago they introduced a special consumption tax on gas. And that reason for that special consumption tax is to fix the road. Where is that tax allocated now? Where it gone? They said it was supposed to fix the road. Is it being used to do something else? No problem. But what about the road? Why neglect the road? That is my concern. Why?
All of them money there gone in an Andrew Holness account. Anyway, the reason why the road them never fix is because Andrew Holness write to the Governor General and he asked the Governor General if he can repeal the Road Maintenance Act. So what he did, he revoked it. You understand? He take you all of the money and do with it, I do not know. Me hear say alone he use it and pay off. Me don't know how true it is. But he take you all of that, the money that him say, it make no sense. If you have no road maintenance funds. This is what Andrew Holness say. If you watch Parliament, you understand? If you watch Parliament and Labour right now, put out them the something there. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Remember, when PNP is in power, remember say PNP always a fixed road, Remember say PNP always a fixed road because the road them have to maintain. But notice what happened since Andrew Wallace came in. No road never there fixed. No notice that? No road. The only time I see them grown and show like a mall on the road is when election time. And that was what, 1 time or 2 times. That was it. You understand me? That was it. So Andrew Holness revoke. Yeah, if you don't understand what repeal mean, he revoke, he put a stop on it. So that's why the road couldn't go further. My people, I want to take in Ian here.
Welcome to another car series, and I just want to say season greetings to everyone out there, and I hope you're staying safe in the Christmas here. So, my concern today is, in 2017, the government, the JLP government, wrote to the Governor General and told the Governor General they wanted to repeal the Road Maintenance Fund Act. The Road Maintenance Fund Act they wanted to repeal. What did the Road Maintenance Fund do? It maintained all the roads across Jamaica, so all of them wouldn't become bad at the same time and we wouldn't be in the predicament where we are now in terms of the roads across the country. So let me recap. In 2017, the government said, look, Governor General repeal it. We don't want it no more. Done with. Get rid of the Road Maintenance Fund Act. So the roads them start to go bad for the last couple of years. Roads just start go bad and it catch up on the government right now. Now my reason for bringing this to you, the government came out and made this big announcement, $2 billion to fix road along with other monies. Why couldn't that money be spent over the years from 2017 to fix the roads across Jamaica? So election is near now, election here, and the government now decide that they're going to come now to fix the road when they repeal and cancel the act in 2017 to fix the roads across the country. Now, my appeal today is quite simple. Transport Authority is active right across the country. Every taxi man a ball, every civil servant a ball, every nurse, all Jamaicans are crying out now because all their front end on their vehicles are being damaged or just plain old mashed up. You lose tire, you can't drive 100 or 200 or you can't drive a mile and you don't see a vehicle that is on the side of the road fixing up tire or changing tire right across the country. I am making an appeal to the government this morning on behalf of every Jamaican. Almost all of we are drive now. Call in the Transport Authority and tell them not come on the road until March of next year when we think or assume some of the roads across the country will be fixed. It is unfair to the motorists of this country to be paying property tax, to be paying insurance, to be paying fitness, to be paying all the taxes that they pay at tax office, plus the taxes that they pay to you as government, and they can't get a good road to drive on. Transport authorities out here taking away a lot of the vehicles across the country, and they are chasing down and running down people to take with them vehicle when you, the government, did not fix the roads. So I'm calling on you this morning. I'm calling on you from Westmoreland and on behalf of the 13 other parishes. Take off the Transport Authority off the road until we fix some of these roads and make them come back March of next year, if they come back at all. Thank you. Have a good day. God bless you all.
To every taxi operators, I want to listen to this and send this a video to a friend, to a family, to everybody who drive. Make them know what is going on. And what Ian Hill proposed, I like it. I like how it sounds, but unfortunately, Andrew Holness not going to do that. Andrew Holness love too much money. Ian Hills, he's not going to do that. Take in more of this.
I neglect the road and they tax it twice. So what happened to all those money that being allocated? Every day gas sell. Every day gas sell. And taxi and bus operators buy the most gas. So you are telling me where's those millions of dollars that is allocated on an annual basis? Tell me, where does it go? Sewage is unbearable because the drain is blocked, the sewage is overflowing, and the road right now, vehicles are stuck in it. So we are asking the relevant authority to see what they can do to resolve this problem. We understand that we have sore foot everywhere, but we need to sort out freeway one as Jamaican. You understand? It's not about the J or the P. It's about fixing the problem that we have right now. So if you notice right now, the cars, they are turning off to the Eastwood Park Road because they have no other alternative route. Waltham Park Road is in a bad condition.
So my wisdom warriors, there you go. You understand the people, they're not happy with what is going on. The road is in bad condition. As I explained to you guys, me even show no proof, say Andrew Holness did him and the Governor General plan out because I feel my idea, you know. It was Andrew Holness' idea. He go to the Governor General and tell the Governor General say him want to stop. You can imagine we have a road and the road used every single day. And this man, the man want wicked man, you know. Jesus mercy, how we never pick up that? How we never pick up that? This man write to the Governor General, you know, and tell the Governor General to put a stop on the Road Maintenance Act. You can imagine that? Jesus mercy. One man no wicked so from 2017, you know. From 2017. Tell me if this a man you care about the people them. And look how much people drive. When they drive, them car mash up. Every time them have to go buy tire. You know see how Andrew Wallace wicked too, you know? Taxi operators. I wonder if you know see what is going on. Andrew Wallace having transport officer where they want to call them come out and harass people. You know what? Hey, you have to stand up for something, you know? You have to stand up for something. You can't just let this man just come and just trample upon we, sir. No, sir, it is not right. It is unacceptable. Andrew Holness don't care because he stand up in a parliament to trace off Mark Golding. I tell Mark Golding, say, it wasn't needed. And that him say, hey, I hear the man, when did I talk to the reporter, say them have to pay a consumption tax. Me box cover. So how much tax you not pay? So you see how Andrew Holness a tax uno. But when it come to import food, the rich people them, you know, the rich people them are import food. Why you don't want tax the rich people them? But Jamaican poor people are them your tax. Make it make sense. And then you don't take in labor right and run up and down. But hey, shower, you go bed. Every day you get up and chat. Go bed. My people, you tell me how you feel about this. But you know some have the attack claps. Like and share for me there. Like and share before me drop the attack claps. Like and share before me drop the attack claps, my people. Because you know say we have the warrior, you know. We're out to fight for the Jamaican people, you know. He's not fighting only for PNP, you know. He is fighting for the Jamaican people. One Isat, but cannot take him in.
Portland boss! Energy. Blessings. I'm gonna ask for some silence, please. I'm gonna ask that the horns just turn them off, because it's the message that I'm asking you to listen to. All right? My respects for the silence. Now I'm sending greetings from Portland Eastern, and I come to support Damian Crawford, who has the portfolio for the Ministry of Education. A portfolio that is lacking in any ideas to increase and enhance the economic viability of the young people all across Jamaica. Now we have this thing called stigma. You see, if you're black and you don't have no money, they put you in one side of Jamaica and they put you as outcast. There is no upliftment for you under the government, the current government. And I want you to stop and think, what do I want for my life and my future? And then look to your kids and those younger than you and say, what future do they have? You will have the obvious answer. No future for them. So if you want to feel like a human being and you want to feel like you are somebody and people see you like I see you, each and every one of you, then your only option is to vote for the People's National Party. Similarly, for most of you, your only escape from poverty is education. So we need a type of education that can help us to escape poverty. It sounds circular, not true? So hear what? In 2025, we have what is called a technological deficit. That means the children are going to school and they don't have the laptops and the iPads and all of these, the tablets. So we have to find a way to ensure that our children have the tools that they need to get where they need to get, that is tertiary education, so that they can make real money. And I want them to listen to me, you know. That's why I don't want the hands. Because we have a government right now that want every Jamaican for just be nothing, so they can feel like they are something. Yes? And they're going to tell you, wait on this prosperity that never came in the last 9 years. Then they're going to ask you, give me 5 more years. But what are you going to tell them? What are you going to tell them? All right. I'm going to address just one person. Just this week, I hear the Prime Minister of Jamaica say, people who are deported and have the criminal records, they must meet the judge or meet the maker. Now let me tell you something. Any government leader that invite the police force to kill citizens of Jamaica is not fit to be a leader. I don't even have to talk about 28 bank accounts. This is a new thing that I want you to listen to. The sons and daughters of Jamaica must have their human rights respected. So the right to a fair trial, the right to due process, everything that make una favorite DJ free, una must have it as well. So I want you to know that in the next election, especially at a time when they want to mess with the Constitution, your rights, you must reject the Jamaica Labour Party. Always remember this. Anytime you see Isat Buchanan, I am you. So if they say them better than me, they might try to tell you say them better than you, and that can't go so. That is what you're going to reject. So, look out for your brothers and sisters. They left Jamaica looking for a better life. Some of them made mistakes, and because of politics, they are being returned. Have some compassion for them. Have some empathy for them, because you never know which one of them is going to be an attorney at law and free your loved ones. All right? The word is love and blessings.
My wisdom warriors, wanna hear our justice minister? Wanna listen to our justice minister? Our justice minister, this, you know, I can't stay there. Me people, this man is our justice minister. One Isat upon them. One Isat make them a walk like donkey. Isat have them weak. Listen, we have to vote for the PNP. We have to vote for the PNP and vote out Labour. We have to vote out Andrew Holness. Who is Andrew Holness? Him come out and every day he just harass the Jamaican people and a chat off him mouth about meet the judge or meet the maker. He no fear talk like that. He must say talk like that. This is why I said this a man I do not like the Jamaican people. Remember, Uno said the police is there, you know, to serve and protect. But who are they serving and protecting? Me know, you know. Me know so them not did it for we. Me know that. But a lot of people think say the police officers was put in place to protect them. Uno need to go do no research. Go and check out Google. Uno hear me? The police are not to protect the citizen. The police are to protect the politician. Them. Not the citizen. So Andrew Holness out here talk about how the people them are gonna meet judge and meet thy maker. No. No. I know so if you go. And as Isat say, everybody deserve a fair trial. You understand? And I agree with Isat 150%. Any prime minister will come out and talk about killing the citizen, encouraging the JCF. Because encouraging really encourage them, you know. He might encourage them. Him see how the JCF deal with a lot of innocent people. But he don't come out and do press briefing about these things. You understand? He only focus on the 1-2% of criminal that is going to come to Jamaica and brand everybody as a criminal, the undocumented people them as a criminal. And it is wrong. You don't do that. A lot of foreigners come to Jamaica and them lose them life. Yes, them lose them life. So for you now turn it your way, Andrew Holness, it is wrong because these undocumented immigrants can come to Jamaica and then can lose them life same way. So yeah, make it look like say them all come kill. You have to stop it. You have to stop it. Why are you encouraging the JCF to kill off a citizen? And that you do. And it start already. It start already, my people. About 31 persons the JCF killed since the start of the year. 31 now. It was 28 the other day. It reached a 31. Wanna hear me? Listen, you cannot have a government where you go talk like that. Andrew Holness has put fear in the Jamaican people. Andrew Holness is a dictator. And him a quiet Uno and a keep Uno in control. And that him a do, you know. And that Andrew Holness a do Jamaica. That's why I always encourage you to rise. You get me? Rise in numbers. Don't rise like 1 and 2. In numbers. Me I tell you no, it will work out better for you no. So I agree with Isat and we have to get this Labour out. We have to vote them out. You know hear the new tune. Vote out Labour, vote out Labour, vote out Labour. Hey, me people, me have to go find that for come drop over here so. But anyway, wanna tell me what you think, wanna tell me how you feel about this and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome my people. Wanna bless up on a nice clean self. One love.